In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Confluence today. By the end, you'll have your first space and page set up, know how to format content, share it with your team, and tap into templates and macros to work faster. Let's begin by getting you into Confluence. Head to the Confluence website in your browser. If you're new, create an account using your work email or a Google login, so collaboration is seamless later. If you already have an account, just sign in and you're ready to go. If prompted to choose a site name, pick something short and recognizable for your team. Next, create a space. Think of a space as a big, organized folder for a team or project. Click Create Space, choose whether it's a team space or a project space, give it a clear name, and add a short description so people know what belongs there. If you see permission options, set who can view and edit now to avoid confusion later. You can always adjust these as your team grows. Inside your new space, create your first page. Click Create, pick a template to start from. Blank page is perfect for a quick setup, and give your page a descriptive title. Begin typing your content. You can add headings to structure your ideas, use short paragraphs for readability, and drop in links to other pages or external resources to keep everything connected. Now, format your page so it's easy to scan. Use the toolbar to bold, italicize, or highlight important points. Add bullet points or numbered lists for steps and checklists. Insert tables to organize data, and drag and drop images or attach files from your computer to keep reference materials in one place. Little details like consistent headings and spacing make pages far easier to use. Quick note, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately. When you're happy with your draft, share it. Click Share, choose who should see it, and add a short note for context. Teammates can comment directly on sections for discussion, and, if they have the right permissions, they can edit with you in real time. It's great for meeting notes, specs, and brainstorming. Once you're comfortable, explore templates and macros. Templates like meeting notes or project plans give you a smart starting point. Macros let you embed calendars, task lists, and even videos right inside your pages, turning static docs into living hubs. To keep learning, browse the Confluence documentation and experiment by creating pages for meeting notes, project plans, or a lightweight knowledge base. That's it! Your first steps in Confluence are complete. Thanks for watching.